Hello guys, and welcome back to another Money Dogs update video. What I'm going to be revealing to you today is going to be an eye opener. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to 5x your account with a simple strategy. Okay, in all this pool, which is the super pass pool, the buyer pool, and the regular pool. Okay, I'm going to show you how to 5x your account in just 3 days. As you can see right here, we have 3 days, 17 hours left. Okay, so the major thing I'm going to be talking about in this video is the staking, the crown update, and the increase in staking limits. Okay, the 1 million increase in staking limits, which is in the super pass pool and the buyer pool. Now, if you look right here in the super pass pool, you see that it is decreasing really fast, and what we have here right now is 999%. Okay, the reason for that is because if I click on view pool right now, the reason for that is because MoneyDocs team have introduced a 1 million staking slot. Okay, and what this means is that you can now stake up to 1 million. Initially, the highest you can stake in the super pass and the buyer pool is 200,000 MDOGS token, but right now you can now stake up to a million, and this is that very update right here. Okay, this is the future right here. As you can see, there is a line right here, meaning I'm only able to stake about 200. Okay, now getting the super pass will cost you a ton, 1 ton, right? But upgrading to this very limit would also cost you a ton. Okay, if I scroll down right now, you see this very update right here. Okay, you can upgrade to mass right now in the super pass. Now, initially they also introduced this feature in the buyer pool. Okay, let's head over to the buyer pool right now so you see this. But there's something I need you to understand, because a lot of people get it confused right here. Okay, now for those of us who are in the regular pool, I'm going to come to you, right? No one is going to be left out in this very video. Just stay with me and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. Now, you can see right here my stake, the highest I can stake is 300,000 MDOGS. Now, the reason is because this is the amount of transaction I've done. I've done about 6 ton transaction, a 0.2 ton transaction, which gave me 300,000 MDOGS. So this is the slot right here. Okay, I need 14 more slots to fill this, but no matter the amount you are able to do right here, you would always get that particular slot. If you'd only do one transaction and you choose the promo offer, which they gave 25 plus 25,000 MDOGS, you'll be having 50,000 MDOGS, which is one slot. Okay, so this is basically how it works. I'm able to stake about 300,000 because I've done about 6 transactions for 50,000 MDOGS token. Okay, now remember that the buyer pool is where you can get the opportunity to buy MDOGS, whether you mind big or not. This is an opportunity for each and every one of us to get into this. Okay, and once you get into this, the way to maximize your income is by staking. We are done with the 1 million upgrade right now, right? Now the way to maximize your income is by staking. And how do you do this? You can see right here I staked 300 of my MoneyDogs token, and my reward right now is 160 in the buyer pool. Now if I head over to the super pass pool right here, okay, you see that I staked 200, which is the highest limit before, and I've been able to get 151,000 MDOGS token. Okay, let's head over to the regular pool. Okay, if I click on regular pool right now, you see that I was able to stake around 2.5 million MDOGS token right here. Now the reason I'm able to stake this is because in the regular pool there is no limit to what you can stake. Okay, if you have earned up to 5 million, 10 million, you can stake it right here and your amount will keep increasing. As you can see, I earned 20,000 MDOGS from this, and that is because the percentage right here is just 11.9% compared to others which is above 500%. Now if you're in the regular pool, I'm going to start from the regular pool before I move to the super pass and the buyer pool. Okay, now if you're in the regular pool, which is a pool for those who did not invest any money in MoneyDogs, okay, a pool for those who are just regular miners, what you have to do to maximize your income is simple. All you have to do is, once you stake right here, right, and you generate some income right here, what you have to do is to claim. And once you claim, you come down and click on max. Okay, automatically that is going to show your balance at the top. Okay, it's going to display your balance right here, right? And what you have to do is to click on stake, and you stake this automatically. This is for those who are not in the super pass or buyer pool. But once you're in the super pass or buyer pool, you want to make sure that you fill that 200,000 slots, okay, or this maximum slot you can be able to fill. Okay, you want to make sure you fill that. Okay, and to do this right now, you just have to go back. Okay, and for the buyer pool, I just explained to you that the number of the tokens you have purchased, okay, if you have purchased 300,000, you would only be able to stake 300,000. Okay, it is that simple. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the number of ton transaction, you can perform. And if you have purchased up to 1 million Money Dogs token, of course you'll be able to stake 1 million Money Dogs tokens. This is just how it works. It's not the same for the Super Pass pool right here. The Super Pass pool gives you an edge over the rest, and how this works is that if you can buy ton, just 1 ton, okay, use 1 ton to upgrade. If I click on upgrade right now, you see right here that says upgrade to max for 1 ton of 450 stars. Okay, so for those of us who like using stars, let's say you have some stars in your Telegram account and you don't want to use the ton option, you just want to buy a little star to cover up and do this very tax. Okay, what you have to do is to go to the description of this video, right, and look for the video that says how to buy Telegram stars cheap with split. Okay, I've created a video on how to buy Telegram stars cheap, and it's not fragment, there's no KYC needed. Okay, it's another site where you get Telegram stars as cheap as fragments, and I created a video for that, so just watch that video and you'll be good to go. I'll leave the link to the video in the description of this video. Okay, once you watch the video, use the link in the description and you're good to go. So right now I'm going to buy this Super Pass upgrade. I'm just going to show you how to upgrade this right now. So you do this before the 3 days staking period. And so I'm going to click on upgrade right now, and once you click on upgrade, you want to make sure that you have funded your Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, the Tonkeeper wallet you'll be using is the Tonkeeper wallet that is connected to your Money Dogs, okay, so that you don't get stories. Okay, as you can see right here, I have 1.08 ton. I'm hoping this would be able to do the transaction, but let's try this and see. So I'm just going to click on upgrade right now and click on ton, because I'm going to be upgrading with ton and no stars, because I found out that ton is kind of cheaper. So right now you see confirm action. We are going to go ahead and slide this to the very end. Okay, and I'm going to enter my passcode right now. Okay, and you can see done. So it's going to automatically redirect us to Money Dogs app, and it says transaction has been successfully sent. Okay, transaction has been successfully sent, meaning we have now purchased this. So we're just going to wait for this to propagate, and this bar right here unlocked. Okay, so it's loading, it's actually processing right now, so you don't have to do anything. Just turn the app, don't exit the app, so you don't have transaction issues. I'm going to show you a simple trick to even maximize your account even more. All right, just stay with me as I explain this. So it's still processing. What I'm going to do right now is to claim this, right? I'm going to claim this, so you see this right now. I'm going to click on claim, and it says taking reward successfully claimed. I'm going to head back right now, and you can see the money right here. Okay, the 151 Money Dogs right there. So I'm just going to click on buy pool right now, and I'm also going to click on claim. Okay, claim 160, and that's 312. And for the regular pool, I'm going to also claim the 20 I mined. Okay, so claim this right now. So this is kind of the real mining right now. It is now the real mining started, right? I'm going to head back right now, and you see 332 Money Dogs token right there. So we're going to head back to the Super Pass pool right now. Okay, and click on max. You can see right here, guys. Hope you can see this, meaning you can stake this. Once it appears like this, it means that you can actually stake this. So I'm going to click on stake right now, and you see staking successful. So this is going to update real quick, and right here, guys, 532 Money Dogs token has been staked right here. So we're going to head back right now, because I want to fill this to 1 million, right? And I'm going to click on regular pool, click on view pool, and I'm going to unstake my 2.5 million Money Dogs token in the regular pool. Okay, there's no specific amount you can unstake. If not, I would have staked 500,000 right here. Okay, there's no option to type in the amount you want to stake, so I'm just going to click on unstake right now, and unstake on MDOGS, confirm to proceed. I'm going to click on confirm. So unstaking successful, and this is it. So it's 0 right now. Okay, for the regular pool, I have not staked anything. I'm going to head back to the launch pool, and you can see 2.5 million Money Dogs token is right there in my balance. I'm going to head back to the Super Pass pool right now again to fill in this. Okay, so I'm going to click on max, and automatically, if I click on max right now, automatically it's going to fill in the remaining one by itself. You don't need to type in the amount. Okay, the bot knows how many is left to fill in this slot. So I'm going to click on stake right now, and as you can see, it's taking successful, and this should be 1 million right now. You can see right here, guys. 1 million MDOGS token has been staked in the super pass pool. Now you would notice that the percentage right here is going down real quick. Now that is because a lot of people are buying the upgrade future. Okay, a lot of people are investing in the upgrade future. Now whatever I'm showing you in this video, whatever I'm teaching you in this video, is not a financial advice. Okay, it's only for information purposes. Make sure you have contacted with your financial advisor. Make sure you are okay with the decision yourself before you proceed. Okay, so I'm just going to head back right now and stake the remaining one in my regular pool. So I'm just going to head back, and you can see I'm left with 2,032,000. So I'm going to head back to the regular pool. Okay, and I'm going to click on max right now. Okay, so this is it. I'm staking all in the regular pool. Okay, I can't stake in the buyer pool because I need more slots, so I'm just going to stake everything in the regular pool. Okay, now don't also forget to come over to the end section. This is the end section, right? There are a lot of tags you can do right here. For those of us at the regular pool, okay, there are a lot of tags you can do right here. I've not even done any. Okay, once you do all these tags, you can then go ahead and stake them in the regular pool. For those of us that have not filled the buyer pool, you can go there and fill it up with these little tags. Okay, 1,650 money dogs is still something. So just go ahead and do this the way I just explained to you, and trust me, you'll be able to rank up your earnings real quick. Okay, the secret right here is staking and restaking. Okay, once you stake in the regular pool, you earn something, you restake. Okay, so that is it. And if you're in the super pass pool or buyer pool and you stake and the slot is not filled yet, you restake it in that very pool, and that is it. Now the last thing I'm going to be talking about in this very video is the crown update. Now what do I mean by crown updates? It's simple. I'm going to show you that right now. Now if I click on this drop down arrow at the top right here, just click on that. Okay, you see this very update right here which says unclaimed MDOGS giveaway to double crown users. Okay, now this is MoneyDog official Telegram handle, and this is one of the updates they released recently. Okay, let's read this update together so you see what I'm talking about. Now you can see right here it says unclaimed MDOGS will be given away to our double crown users. Now what is double crown users? This is users with both super pass and MDOGS buying history. Now we thought about burning unclaimed amount to control the total supply, but we listened to our feedback and chose to reward our loyal double crown users instead. So no need to worry about total supply. Our team allocation will be reduced to ensure it stays balanced. Okay, so you can see this, guys. You can see what they are talking about right here. So if I end up getting about 5 million MDOGS token, the allocation is going to be reduced. Okay, maybe it's going to be halved or divided by 3. I don't really know, but this is what you need to know. You're not going to get that 5 million or 2 million or even a million you were able to mine. If you're able to mine 200,000, you're not going to get exactly 200,000. It might be divided by 3, leaving you with about 65,000 or 66,000 or thereabout. So this is basically what you need to know about this very update. All right, so implement this right now, and trust me, you'll be good to go. Okay, so that is it. If you have the funds to do the super pass and the buyer pool, you can go ahead and do that, right? But this is not a financial advice though. Okay, do what you feel is best. Contact your financial advisor before you make any informed decision. Okay, and there's a funny update right here which says 1 MDOG is equals to 1 MDOG. I don't really know what this means. Okay, maybe they're trying to say 1 MDOG will be equals to $1. Okay, but if it's equals to $1, and that means they might cut the supply down by even 10 places. Okay, so no one really knows, but we'll just be on the lookout and let's see how this goes. So this is the update I have for you guys. But like I said, if you want to get Telegram stars, I'll leave a link to the video on how to do that, how to purchase both Telegram stars and premium with a new site that have proven to be trustworthy. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any important updates at all. If you want to stay more updated, then follow my social media handle, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp, and you will be good to go. Okay, so that whenever I drop any updates, you'll be one of the first to get that. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.